The Norwegian Sun has been sailing the seas since 2001, and after spending considerable time aboard this ship, I can tell you it's one of those vessels that proves size isn't everything. This mid-sized beauty from Norwegian Cruise Line offers something many newer megaships have lost: that intimate cruise experience where you're not constantly fighting crowds for everything. Let me be honest up front, this isn't the newest ship in the fleet, but what it lacks in flashy bells and whistles, it more than makes up for in character and value. The Norwegian Sun carries about 1936 passengers when full, which means you'll actually get to know your fellow cruisers instead of feeling like you're vacationing in a floating city. What really caught my attention about this ship is how Norwegian has managed to keep it feeling fresh despite its age. The recent renovations have breathed new life into spaces that could have easily felt dated. Plus, the crew-to-passenger ratio is fantastic, which translates to service that feels genuinely personal rather than rushed. The ship operates year-round from various ports, but it's particularly known for its Alaska and Caribbean itineraries. During my time aboard, I noticed the Norwegian Sun attracts a nice mix of first-time cruisers and seasoned veterans who appreciate the more relaxed pace this smaller ship offers. When it comes to accommodations aboard the Norwegian Sun, you've got plenty of options that won't break the bank. The interior staterooms are surprisingly spacious for a ship of this vintage, measuring around 142 square feet. Sure, you won't have a window, but if you're planning to spend most of your time exploring the ship and ports, these rooms offer excellent value. The ocean view staterooms bump you up to about 152 square feet and feature a porthole or picture window. I always recommend these for first-time cruisers who might feel claustrophobic in an interior cabin. There's something magical about waking up to ocean views, even if the window isn't huge. Now, if you want to step it up a notch, the balcony staterooms are where things get interesting. At roughly 205 square feet including the balcony, these give you that private outdoor space that makes sea days infinitely more enjoyable. The balconies aren't enormous, but they're perfectly sized for morning coffee or evening cocktails while watching the sunset. The suites on Norwegian Sun are genuinely impressive for a ship this size. The owner suites and penthouse suites offer separate living areas, larger balconies, and premium amenities. What I love about the suites here is that they don't feel overwhelming, they're luxurious without being ostentatious. All staterooms come with the basics you'd expect: television, telephone, safe, hairdryer, and adequate storage. The bathrooms are compact but functional, with good water pressure in the showers. Norwegian has done a nice job updating the decor throughout the accommodations during recent refurbishments. The dining scene on Norwegian Sun is where this ship really shines, especially considering its size. The main dining rooms, Versailles and Four Seasons, offer traditional cruise dining with menus that change nightly. The food quality here consistently impressed me. It's not just quantity over quality like some cruise lines. Le Bistro is the ship's French restaurant, and it's absolutely worth the cover charge. The intimate setting and authentic French cuisine make it perfect for special occasions or when you want to escape the busier venues. The escargot and beef tenderloin are standouts. For casual dining, the Garden Cafe Buffet offers the variety you'd expect, but with better execution than many ships. The pizza counter stays busy throughout the day, and honestly, the pizza is surprisingly good for cruise ship standards. There's also a grill area that serves decent burgers and hot dogs. The specialty dining options include Ginza, which serves Asian cuisine with a focus on sushi and teppanyaki. While not groundbreaking, it's solid and offers a nice change of pace from the main dining rooms. The sushi is fresh, and the teppanyaki chefs put on an entertaining show. What really sets Norwegian Sun apart in the dining department is the attention to dietary restrictions. The staff is well trained to handle special requests, and vegetarian options are plentiful throughout all venues. Room service is available 24 hours, though there's a delivery charge for late-night orders. The bar program throughout the ship is solid without being spectacular. The wine list offers decent variety at reasonable cruise prices, and the bartenders genuinely know how to make a proper cocktail. The sports bar gets lively during games, and the piano bar creates that classic cruise ship atmosphere. Pool areas on the Norwegian Sun strike the perfect balance between relaxation and activity. The main pool deck centers around a good-sized pool that rarely feels overcrowded, even on sea days. The surrounding deck space provides plenty of loungers, though getting the prime spots requires some morning dedication. What I particularly appreciate is the adults-only area called Spice H2O. This sun deck offers a more tranquil environment with comfortable loungers and its own bar service. It's not huge, but it provides that escape when you need a break from family activities. The hot tubs scattered around the pool deck are properly maintained and sized for actual relaxation rather than just photo opportunities. During cooler weather sailing, these become the most popular spots on the ship, so timing your visits helps avoid the crowds. The pool deck also features a large screen for movies under the stars, which creates a fantastic atmosphere on warm evenings. The movie selection varies, but they typically choose crowd pleasers that work well for outdoor viewing. One thing to note about the pool areas, they can get quite busy during port days when people choose to stay aboard rather than explore. However, the layout prevents that claustrophobic feeling you get on some larger ships where pool decks feel like water parks. The deck chairs are comfortable and well maintained, and there's adequate shade for those who prefer to avoid direct sun. The poolside service is efficient, though prices reflect typical cruise ship premiums for drinks and snacks. Activities aboard the Norwegian Sun cater to a wide range of interests without overwhelming you with choices. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio machines and weight equipment. It's not enormous, but it rarely feels crowded, and the ocean views while working out are motivating. The sports deck features a basketball court that doubles as a volleyball court, depending on passenger interest. There's also shuffleboard, which might sound old-fashioned but becomes surprisingly competitive among passengers. The jogging track circles the ship and provides a great way to start the morning. Evening entertainment centers around the Stardust Theater, which hosts production shows and guest entertainers. The shows are professionally done without being Broadway caliber, but they are entertaining and well-suited to the intimate theater setting. The variety acts that come aboard range from comedians to musicians, and the quality is generally quite good. The casino offers all the standard games you'd expect, and while not massive, it maintains that exciting atmosphere without feeling overwhelming. The dealers are friendly and patient with newcomers, which creates a welcoming environment for casual players. During sea days, the activity staff organizes everything from trivia contests to dance classes. These activities have that classic cruise ship feel without being overly cheesy. The trivia competitions can get surprisingly competitive, and the dance classes are popular with couples looking to try something new together. The library and internet cafe provide quiet spaces for those seeking a break from activities. The book selection is decent, and the internet access, while not lightning fast, is reliable enough for staying connected with home. The spa aboard Norwegian Sun operates under the Mandara Spa brand, which maintains consistent quality across Norwegian's fleet. The facility feels intimate rather than industrial, with treatment rooms that offer genuine relaxation rather than just going through the motions. The signature massages are expertly performed, and the therapists are skilled at reading what each client needs. The couple's massage room is particularly popular and should be booked early if you're interested. The hot stone treatments work especially well in the ship's relaxing environment. The thermal suite includes a steam room and sauna that provide perfect relaxation after active port days. The relaxation area with heated loungers offers stunning ocean views and creates a genuinely peaceful atmosphere. Access to the thermal suite can be purchased for the entire cruise, which is worthwhile if you plan multiple spa visits. Fitness classes complement the spa offerings with yoga, pilates, and aerobic sessions. The instructors are energetic without being overwhelming, and classes accommodate various fitness levels. The morning yoga sessions on deck are particularly popular and provide a serene start to the day. The spa products used in treatments are high quality, though purchasing them involves typical spa pricing. The staff provides genuine recommendations rather than just pushing expensive packages, which creates a more relaxed experience. For families traveling with children, the Norwegian Sun offers supervised kids programs that genuinely engage young passengers. The kids' club areas are colorful and well-designed with age-appropriate activities that keep children entertained while parents enjoy some adult time. The teen programs recognize that teenagers have different interests than younger children. The Teen Lounge provides a space where older kids can hang out with peers while participating in activities designed for their age group. Video games, dance parties, and sports tournaments keep teens engaged. Family-friendly activities throughout the ship ensure that multiple generations can enjoy time together. The pool games, family trivia, and deck parties create opportunities for bonding while maintaining that vacation atmosphere everyone craves. Supervised dining options for children allow parents to enjoy specialty restaurants while knowing their kids are well cared for. The children's menus throughout the ship offer familiar options alongside opportunities to try new foods in a non-pressured environment. The babysitting services provide professional childcare for younger children during evening hours, allowing parents to enjoy shows, specialty dining, or adult-only areas of the ship. The staff is trained and background checked, providing peace of mind for parents. Norwegian Sun's itineraries showcase some truly spectacular destinations, with Alaska and Caribbean routes being the most popular. The Alaska sailings offer incredible scenery and wildlife viewing opportunities that larger ships simply cannot access due to size restrictions. During Caribbean itineraries, the ship visits both popular ports and lesser-known gems that provide more authentic cultural experiences. The shore excursion options range from adventurous activities like zip-lining and snorkeling to cultural tours that showcase local history and traditions. The shore excursion staff provides detailed information about each port, helping passengers choose activities that match their interests and physical abilities. Independent exploration is also well supported with maps and recommendations for those who prefer to venture out on their own. Port days are well-timed, typically allowing full days for exploration without feeling rushed. The ship's size advantage becomes apparent in smaller ports where larger vessels cannot dock, providing access to destinations that feel more authentic and less commercialized. The onboard port shopping talks provide useful information about local specialties and reputable vendors, though they do promote specific shops that have arrangements with the cruise line. Taking this information with appropriate skepticism helps you make better shopping decisions. What truly sets Norwegian Sun apart is its ability to provide that classic cruise experience that many newer ships have lost in their pursuit of being floating resorts. The ship maintains the romance and elegance of cruising while incorporating modern amenities and safety standards. The crew-to-passenger ratio creates service that feels personal rather than rushed. Staff members remember your preferences and go out of their way to ensure your comfort. This attention to detail extends from housekeeping to dining staff to entertainment personnel. The ship's size allows for easy navigation without feeling cramped. You can walk from bow to stern in minutes, yet there are enough venues and activities to keep things interesting throughout your cruise. This balance is increasingly rare in today's cruise industry. Norwegian's freestyle cruising concept works particularly well on this ship, where the relaxed atmosphere encourages passengers to dine when they want, dress how they're comfortable, and participate in activities that interest them rather than following rigid schedules. The Norwegian Sun offers excellent value for money, especially for passengers who prioritize experience over flashy amenities. The ship proves that newer isn't always better, and sometimes the most memorable cruises happen on vessels with character and soul. For business travelers or groups planning events, Norwegian Sun provides several meeting spaces that can accommodate various group sizes. The conference facilities are well equipped with modern audio-visual equipment and can be configured for different types of gatherings. The business center offers computers, printing services, and internet access for guests who need to stay connected for work purposes. While the ship encourages relaxation, these facilities ensure that urgent business matters can be handled efficiently when necessary. Private dining options for groups can be arranged through the ship's event planning staff. Whether celebrating a special occasion or hosting a business dinner, the culinary team can create memorable experiences tailored to specific needs and preferences. Past passengers consistently praise the Norwegian Sun for exceeding expectations, particularly regarding service quality and overall value. Many guests return specifically to this ship rather than trying newer vessels, citing the comfortable atmosphere and attentive crew as primary reasons. One recurring theme in passenger feedback involves the genuine friendliness of the crew members. Unlike some larger ships where interactions can feel scripted, the Norwegian Sun staff creates authentic connections with guests that enhance the overall cruise experience. The ship's ability to handle rough weather gracefully also earns praise from experienced cruisers. The vessel's design and size provide stability that reduces seasickness while maintaining comfortable public spaces even during challenging sea conditions. Passengers frequently mention the ease of getting around the ship and the lack of overwhelming crowds that can plague larger vessels. This creates a more relaxed vacation atmosphere where guests can enjoy amenities without constantly planning around peak usage times. After experiencing the Norwegian Sun firsthand, it's clear this ship offers something increasingly rare in today's cruise industry, an intimate, classic cruise experience that prioritizes passenger satisfaction over flashy amenities. While it may not have the newest bells and whistles, it delivers where it matters most: genuine hospitality, quality dining, and comfortable accommodations at excellent value. For cruisers seeking that perfect balance between modern comfort and traditional cruise charm, the Norwegian Sun continues to prove that sometimes the best experiences come from ships with soul rather than just size.